We're back, so hope you enjoyed that little photo montage with the nice relaxing music. So, the finished Brat, obviously, turned out looking really nice. We still haven't driven it yet. We hope to do that in this video. So, a few things. Not bad about the kit at all. A few I'd say decals. These gold decals here did not line up at all. You could probably make these ones line up and then something else wouldn't have lined up. It wasn't so bad on the other side. But yeah, if you're looking at using these decals for a shell clean, then you really got to look closely at trying to get those lined up, or maybe even paint the gold and black stripes, which is what I would probably do if I was using the hard body. Don't forget that there's a lot of work that goes into that hard body, so yeah, you probably will only use it for a shell clean, maybe. But anyway, so yeah, decals. So they give you a full set of the gold and black stripes for the car, and then they give you these two silver Brat decals, and they give you the silver stripes to go over the turret there. Confuse the hell out of me. They're going to give you different colour stripes unless one of the models in America or wherever did come out with a gold and silver stripe, but that just doesn't make much sense to me. They do give you a lot of spare stickers. Now these decals, the four-wheel drive decals, and the Subaru actually, are on the actual car on the front of the manual, but they're not on the actual box. Bring up actual box art. It's just like how we've done here. There's nothing on the bonnet, nothing on the sides, and even when the manual's sticker sheet in the manual has none of those decals either. So I mean, totally up to you if you're going to put them on or not. We just decided not to. Nice clean look there. Plus, it is going to run, so that's why we went with the left-hand body instead of the hard body on this car, because it is going to run. We're going to run around the track with the frog, hopefully this afternoon. So, you might be wondering how we got these bumpers masked off so cleanly. The answer is we didn't. They're painted on the outside. I think we showed that in the photos, in the montage. So all I did there was just got a brand new blade in the hobby knife and just actually trimmed back the protective coating on the shell on the parts that I wanted to paint black or the silver. I sprayed the silver first on both front and rear and waited for that to dry completely, and then masked it off and did the same with the black bumper and the side. Now, in hindsight, what I should have done is done the same thing around the window for the silver around the windows, because these decals, they did have a bit of trouble actually getting these decals to form to the curves around the windows. So if I was to do it again, I would cut the protective coating around the windows and spray that all silver, and then actually cut the window stickers back so that they fit inside the actual windows. And I probably should have done the same with this. It's supposed to be a stainless steel trim around the back there. I probably could have done that. Like I said, it is going to be a runner, so I wasn't really going too far with the details. That's what I've got here. Yeah, when we painted the outside, if you're looking at doing that, I backed it all up with a PS55 flat clear, just to give it a little bit, hopefully a bit more protection against scratches and stuff. I mean, when it does get scratched, it's going to go straight back to the red anyway. So, and if you're doing that, trimming out the protective coating, don't put a lot of pressure on your blade because it's very close to being the same as the score and snap methods. So if you put a bit too much pressure on there and you do end up bending the body, there's a good chance it's just going to snap one. So very light with the blade, especially with a brand new blade. If you take your time, it does come out nice and clean, nice clean lines. And the protective coating is brilliant for masking off, and you don't actually have to waste any masking tape. I think that's about it for the Brat. Hopefully. Oh, actually, what are we going to do with the hard body now? My original plan was to run this polycarbonate body as a runner, which is what we're doing, and then detail the hard body using NCI decals, so that could sit on the shelf as a nice clean shelf car. Then we decided to do this. Hang on, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what we decided to do with the hard body. Yes, we're building a tribute mud blaster. So really simple conversion. Eventually we are going to buy another Blackwood kit for the chassis, and then we can use the Blackwood body for our Quadrant XLT project we want to do. But if you're not doing that, you can just use the Monster Beetle chassis, same thing. Now we will have to use, these are the rims off the Monster Beetle, obviously, they're the shiny gold ones. The Mud Blaster had the yellow tyres that came with the Blackwood, but with the Monster Beetle rims, sorry, and but with the Monster Beetle spike tyres. So buying another Blackwood kit, I will get the yellow rims. So then we just have to buy a set of the spike tyres. Which isn't too bad. The only other thing we've got to buy is these two rear body mounts. Now, the front body mount is just the Blackwood front body mount. I think it's the same on the Monster Beetle. The rear body mounts, to make this work, these are just the rear body mounts of the Subaru Brat to fit the Lexan body, the polycarbonate body. Super easy to do, so all you need to do, and these two come on their own little pass tree in the Subaru Brat kit. So all we need to do is buy that little pass tree F, pretty sure it is, and the NCI decals, and then work out if the paint is TS8 or TS12. TS8 Italian red, because it says in the Mud Blaster manual, it has TS8 written there, but it doesn't point to anything, so it's just sitting up the top left corner of the page. Assuming that means that that's the body colour, but every picture that we brought up, it looks orange. So we're going to have to look a bit more into that, but we'll get the colour right, and then NCI decals, and we'll have ourselves a Mud Blaster, and that will complete our ORV big wheel collection. And then I think all we got left for the ORVs is the Lancia Rally. I'm sure there was something else on the ORV chassis in the first 100 anyway. So we'll see how we go after we edit this little bit, and I want to take you out on the track with the Brat and the Frog, and that'll be the end of the video. So thanks for watching, thanks for your support, hope you enjoyed it, have a great day, see you next one.
Yes.
in these tires. As you can see by looking around, the track isn't in the best condition again. We just had about a week and a half of rain on and off. So yeah, we've got to get back into this and clean it up. These tyres have absolutely no traction whatsoever. Does seem to be wanting to steer to the right under full throttle. Might be, the diff might be a little tight or something, I don't know, but we'll keep running it and let it wear in. It does look good getting around the track, and I forgot how much fun it was to drive. Body shell, isn't it?